Hi there. Welcome to the Attribution Guy. This channel is all about learning together. We explore AI, data science, and machine learning. Don't worry if you're new, everything is explained simply. We break down big ideas into easy steps. You'll see real examples from everyday life. We share what we learn as we learn it. No jargon, just clear explanations. You'll get hands-on demos and real-world tips. We cover topics from retail to marketing and more. Ask questions anytime, we're here to help. Grow your skills, one video at a time. Join our friendly community of learners. Let's make AI and data science easy for everyone. Subscribe, and let's start learning together.